Jibun Dayo. This is another frequency light language activation coding that appears a lot of times in my channelings. It refers to you being you by either you deciding to stop doing something that brings you astray of living your authenticity, or Jibun Dayo gets channeled as an affirmation, confirmation of you being you. Look at the synchronicity. Free. Free always means all your faculties, higher self, self, and divine child, or body, mind, soul, are in coherence. And the fourth one, the inspiration. Okay, so tune into these ancient pillars, of which there are 8. Sink into your body, which is your portal to coherence and self-awareness. Know that you are protected by your own Merkaba field. And now close your eyes and see in your mind's eye how you are now approaching your own ancient history activational building. This is a faculty of you that arises whenever you feel the need to remember more of your own gifts. You can time travel and remote view, and you can always skip a lot of remembrance by using your intention and call in your guides in order to lead you to something that will grant you permission to absorb, remember, and actualize something you wish to remember, know, or actualize. See the place you are in and know that this is a memory of a past time where you have been a philosopher, a priestess, a magician, a sorcerer, a healer, guiding person, someone who cares and follows his or her guidance. Breathe in and now hum. Take a deep breath and now hum Om. Om. Take a deep breath and now hum Shreem. Shreem. Have you felt that with humming Shreem you have activated a lot of areas in your head? You have now constructed new knowledge on how to tune into the frequency that activates your brain, your head, and all the chakra systems and all your spiritual gifts that are lying stored in your field around and inside your head. We may proceed, they tell me. I'm channeling, guys. So now comes a little bit of light language inspired by these flowers. Remember that you are always growing and blooming. You are the bell others may listen to when they feel that there is some danger they need to live, that there is another way they can take. You are just you. You don't need to rescue anyone out of a feeling of feeling ashamed not to rescue. People who want more, a better life, will always follow you on their own. You don't have to pursue them. You don't have to neglect them. What is meant for you is always coming to you. Frequency is what is attracting them. Shine your light, your beauty, your frequency, your wisdom, your gift, you being you, is always being compensated by others being them. And this will sustain, like it always has, the beingness of social interaction. Breathe in, breathe out, and now connect with Mama Gaia and all the resources, visible and invisible, that there are. And now pull them into your energetic field. What is it that wants now to be pulled in by you? Diamonds, gold, crystals. Which colors are you pulling in? Just be aware of that and pull and pull and pull and pull. And end with a sigh. Okay, this was a little mini activation, meditation, call it whatever it is. We are pleased to have met you. We are pleased that you have come back to our channel, and we wish you a wonderful day, whatever day it is, on which you manifested this magical being, me, into your life, and all the magic that I am bringing into your life. So shine on your light and let the light lead your way. Bye bye.